Hi guys, welcome to our channel AHC Clay Collections. Today I'm going to show you how I made these abstract earrings. I made 3 varieties. This is another sample made using the same technique with some variation. We need the following materials. Take 2 contrasting colors of polymer clay. I took here some green shaded clay and mustard yellow shaded clay. A clay extruder smallest round hole disc, clay cutters, the sandpaper of 100 or 80 grit, an acrylic block, a slicer blade, precision knife, spray bottle. Let's start. This is the clay extruder. It is very easy to use. Insert clay into the stool, then put the disc inside the base cap and close it. Now rotate the screw handle in a clockwise direction until you push the clay to the outside of the tube. I used the smallest round hole disc, so I got a thin string. We can make this string manually without using a tool too, but it is a time-consuming process. By using this tool, we get uniform clay. I'm arranging the string with my hands in a random curvy fashion. It is an abstract design. You will get used to it while doing it. And the movement with your hand will become easier as you proceed further. I'm using the precision knife in between to cut the string. It need not be a continuous design because I'll be cutting the slab into very small pieces. But if you plan to make a trinket dish or something bigger like coasters using this technique, I think a continuous pattern would be nice. After completing, you can see some gaps in between, so I'm filling those with smaller pieces all over the slab. I think this completes the design. It looks nice. Now I'm using a roller to flatten the strings on the base. I used paper in between so that the clay will not stick to the roller. It helps if you are using soft clay. I'm spritzing some water on sandpaper. It is a wet-dry type. This step is also to prevent the clay from sticking to sandpaper when using softer clay. Use the roller to press the sandpaper into the clay. Just apply slight pressure. See here, one side is without texture and the other side is textured. I have shown you black earrings at the beginning of this video. In that I did not use the texture. I had cut that base slab directly into shapes and applied epoxy resin after baking. Remove the excess water using tissue paper. Now I am using various smaller cutters. I had mentioned using an acrylic block to press the clay cutter into clay in the previous videos too. It is optional. I am also spraying little bit water before using the cutter. Remove excess water. Peeling the excess clay. Now bake these pieces as per the instructions provided on your clay brand. Post assembling, here are the final earrings. Hope you liked this process. Please like and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this. Let me know if you have any doubts in the comments.